morning, everyone. Today is, what's today? No, for real, what's today? Today's Wednesday, and we are in Roatan, Honduras. Now, we have no plans today. We have no idea what we're doing. Maybe the beach, maybe just walk around in like their city area. So we're gonna figure it out as we go along, and hope for the best. Now, I have so many preconceived notions and ideas about Honduras, and so does Marcus. So we are being very cautious about what we are going to do and where we are going to go. But like I said, we have no plans, so we're just going to go out and explore and see what we run into and what we get into. I would like to go to the beach. We have our beach attire with us, but if we don't, I will not feel bad about it at all. Because sometimes when you visit these ports, you don't always want to just do the beach, because it's almost doing the same thing at every port you go to and not really experiencing any kind of like culture or anything like that. So we're gonna go to breakfast really quick, get something to eat from one of the main dining rooms, and then head on out. We'll see you soon.
Cut it open, take out the nut, then it will roast the shell. It gives you a type of vitamin oil for the ladies that have baby want to lose stretch marks, or you got old scars. It's like an old folks remedy.
11:30.
But this is the first start. You come in to see. You know what I'm saying? Here we don't have no prisons here on the island. If you decide to be a bad boy, they would say you where the real gangsters is, which is Honduras. Honduras crime rate is 110%. This was a river, stream. Over the years, the government teared down a lot of hills to block it off and direct the traffic. So as you notice, once you cross the bridge, you see all of the water, right? That's from all of the river. coconuts, and then you would boil it down and take off all of the froth and then reboil it. Then it's like it's a process. So that's plain coconut that's being out the way. This coconut oil is the best for you to cut it up for you.
They made this.
Yes, they like making
from this.
And this is cassava bread.
What?
When you live in an island life, you'll come across a lot of good.
Okay, so we are in Roatan, Honduras. We have happened upon a tour guide. His name was David. I meant to get him on here with me, but we happened upon just a great city tour with him. Like, he was awesome. We got off of the ship. Everybody was great because asked us if we wanted to go to the beach here and there, and it was just too much. We really just did not know what we were doing, just wanted to walk around the city a bit. And he literally took us everywhere. We went to all of the local spots where he said there were 5 different cultures, to the meat market, to the fruit market, just everywhere locally you could think. And he gave us a great tour of this beautiful island, from the churches to the mayor, to the schools, which they call college out here. These kids get out of school at 11:30 and they are free to do whatever they want. Most of them take a dip in the pool. But right now, the last thing he did was take us to get some local food, which is probably you see me swinging this around. And it's almost like an empanada, but it's not. I think it's called a bachata. This one is filled with chicken. Marcus had one that was filled with beef. He said it was alright, but I'll see for myself. So I'm just going to take a bite right here in the middle and get some crunch and some meat. It definitely reminds me of an empanada, but it's super flaky. The meat is actually really flavorful and has some good seasonings on it. It's not really hot right now, but it's still pretty good. So we're done with this island. It was really great. I do recommend coming to Roatan, and instead of taking a taxi just to go straight to the beach, explore the city a little bit. It's 5 minutes from the port, from the pier to downtown, and you can explore everything that Roatan has. Beautiful people, so we are all cleaned up, ready to go to dinner. We have reservations at Shanghai, so we're gonna try that out because it is another complimentary restaurant. We had a great day in Roatan. Now we're ready to eat. We hung out by the pool for a little bit. We were at Spice H2O for a couple of hours. It's kind of a bummer though going there. Every night we've gone there, they close it down too early because they have a private event all the time. So it's not really a bunch of other adult only spots that you can go to on this ship, but we're headed to dinner now.